Hi, in this video I will show you how to properly apply Festfloor Titan Microcement, an extremely hard and damage-resistant decorative floor. Let's start the application. Before starting the application, I take great care to ensure that the floor is fully and correctly prepared. For example, reinforced with mesh and the Titan base epoxy primer, and also completely and thoroughly vacuumed. Festfloor Titan is a specialized two-component epoxy microcement composed of the colored Festfloor Titan compound and the Titan hardener. Once combined, they form an easy-to-apply flooring compound that provides superior mechanical and chemical resistance. Before starting work, I prepare the appropriate amount of compound. To begin this process, I carefully pour in the Titan hardener, which is component B, into the colored Festfloor Titan compound, known as component A, POSEC. The specific mixing ratio required is 100:16. That means you must use exactly 100 parts of component A to 16 parts of component B to ensure the best results. After adding them together, I mix everything thoroughly with a mixer at a very low speed. I continue this process until the compound becomes completely uniform. If it becomes necessary, you can add in a maximum of 4% additional water to achieve the desired consistency. After thoroughly mixing, I proceed to apply the first coat of microcement. I carefully spread the compound evenly over the entire surface using a steel trowel, making sure that the layer is no thicker than 1 millimeter. Compared to standard mineral microcements, Festfloor Titan provides you with significantly more working time, but it is still important to avoid taking any long breaks. While applying, I try to spread the material evenly, without any build-ups, working with smooth movements. I move the trowel naturally, creating a gentle wave, which gives the surface a unique and organic look. I avoid repetitive, parallel movements, which makes the texture more dynamic and striking. Once I have finished applying the first layer, I typically leave it to dry for 12 to 24 hours. Once the material has fully set and is dry, I proceed to the sanding process. For the final finishing, I use a single disc grinder with a diamond pad of grit 50. Which allows for precise and even leveling of the surface. For those hard-to-reach areas, such as the corners or the edges along the walls, I work on them with an orbital sander at a low speed, using the same pad for consistency. If you have a planetary sanding system, such as Quattro, it will be a big advantage as it ensures even and precise surface sanding. However, you can also manage in another way. It is enough to place 4 pads under a large non-woven disc, which will allow you to achieve a similar effect. Next, I thoroughly vacuum the entire surface to remove all dust and prepare it for the application of the second coat. I apply the second coat in the same way as the first. After it has fully dried, I move on to the sanding process. This time using only a sanding mesh with a grit of 100, which ensures the right smoothness and a matte finish of the surface. Finally, I thoroughly vacuum the entire floor again to remove any dust particles and prepare it for the sealing stage. If you'd like to learn more about Festfloor Titan Microcement, visit our website at festfloor.com. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'd be happy to answer them. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, now's the perfect time because more videos are coming soon. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.